What's going on, everyone? Got a 2022 Lexus IS500 here, and we're getting maintenance required on the dash here. And I'm gonna show you how to reset that real quick. We're gonna use the steering wheel buttons here and over here. Okay, so what you're gonna want to do is hit the menu button here and bring up your settings menu right here on the side. All right, and then you're gonna go down to vehicle settings and then go down to scheduled maintenance. That's what this one's telling us scheduled maintenance is due. As you want to reset, just hit yes. Okay, and then I'll reset the scheduled maintenance there. So we're also getting the message right here on the dash too. It's telling us scheduled maintenance as soon as we start the car up. So we're going to go to setup, and you're going to go down right here where it says vehicle, and then go over to where it says maintenance. All right, and you can see right here, oil is due, filters due. To reset that. Okay, let's go to reset. Yes. Okay. Go back. We're going to go back. And we're going to reset the oil filter also. That's pretty much it. I hope the video was helpful. If it was, appreciate it if you drop me a like, leave me a comment. And I'll see you guys in another video.